Hi guys. It's been a really crappy week, or last week was. I lost a lot of babies. I'm still trying to figure out why. I think I figured part of it out. And of course, I'm giving you a chick flick in babies because babies are amazing. But I think part of what happened last week on my hatchlings is, here's my Ameracaunas. I had hairs, and this is all I have left from the 17. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong, but I gotta figure it out. But anyways, on my bitty babies, I didn't even think about this. I'm fighting mites with my hens and my adults. So if your hens are sick, I don't know why this never occurred to me, but it just didn't. I'm just going to give you a picture of everybody while I'm talking. If your adults are having trouble like mites, then you're not going to be breeding super... What the heck? Sorry, got a distraction. You're not going to be breeding super strong babies. So... anyways, I thought I would let you guys in on that. I've got more Appenzellers, more Houdons ordered. Let's hope I can figure out what's going on. I'm so tired of that. That is the one thing that I don't think many people talk about is, especially if you're doing this at scale, all the babies that you end up losing. And I don't want to lose them. I'm trying to figure out how not to lose them. But it's just rough. And I'll also give you guys a walkthrough of my brooder room, or my soon-to-be brooder room. Guys, this is Chris with Chickens for Chicks. And if you like what you saw, subscribe, come back, like the video. There'll be more. Lots of education, lots of babies.